Hey, okay, so I'm going to show you what I do for the bags. So here's the bag, right? Okay, so it's, open on the bottom, okay? And I label it, I handwrite it on. I mean, you don't have to put all of this. I normally just put cleanser, normal to dry. But you can put whatever you want, so if I put normal to dry or, combination oily, whatever it is. These are also actually the perfect size for the eye patches. So you can always put one sample or, two in there if you wanted to. Okay, so I have my hair straightener on, and what I do is, okay, open it. Take your product. Excuse me, and squeeze it in. Okay, so there's the product, okay? And so then I kind of just, squish it down a little bit if you want to. Again, you don't have to. And so here, this little puffy part right here is their product. So you can put as much or as little as you want. Again, totally up to you. So then what I do, I have my hair straightener. I don't normally use this one, so I don't know how this one's gonna come out, okay? But now remember, I have pushed all of the product down because they can open it right here, right? They can tear it off. So I've pushed it down as far as I can to the top, what is the top, okay? And then seal it. Okay, so then, matter of preference, this part, because I'm a little weird, what I do is I then just cut so that there's like not all that excess flapping about, if that makes sense. So now, here's their sample. So there's that. Eye cream, okay, because they don't need a lot of eye cream. I take eye cream, I've put way too much, but this one again, squish to the very top, so all of the product essentially is now like right here, okay? And so then, hair straightener. I just don't like to seal it down here, and then it just looks like an empty bag. I want them. So then, again, preference. And here's like eye cream. Now, you can put the label right here if you wanted to. If you wanted to just cover up like where it's sealed, you can type up some labels of what you want to put. Like if this was the eye cream, you can put it right there. The white labels that you have, an address size label would fit over this if you feel that you need to cover this up. But I just am not spending money on Section 2 samples. I have some, and when I get rid of them, I get rid of them. And some of my packages that I send have this and have the Mary Kay samples, because with the amount that we are sending out and having customers try and stuff like that, I just can't spend that money on Section 2 stuff. It just, oof. So anyways, I hope this makes sense. I know it's not exactly the absolute prettiest, but at the same time, when I get on the FaceTime with them or Zoom, I have the full bottles with me, and I show them, like, look, here's the difference between the two, just so that they understand. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I know it's not the prettiest, but it is what it is.